I would say that I'm a believer of passion, but I believe that passion is very similar and a cousin to happiness, and you need to have it to actually be the trigger to the tactics that are the massive rationale to why one is successful. So when you say that passion is the ingredient that most matters in success, I agree, but here's how I think about it. Without passion, nobody, if Tony Hawk wasn't passionate about skateboarding, if I wasn't passionate about becoming one of the great entrepreneurs of a generation, if LeBron wasn't passionate about basketball, I wouldn't have put in the hours, the work. When it all makes no sense, when it's 10:30 at night tonight and I've got to go to one more meeting, but I got to wake up at 5:30, and if I didn't have the passion for the game, I wouldn't do it. I would cancel it. I wouldn't have booked it in the first place. And so it becomes the gateway drug religion that allows you to do the tactical things, right? I have a vision to where we're going in the future. I come up with stuff every day that very few people are thinking about. And then in parallel, and this is one of the biggest reasons I still have a personal brand, I use Instagram and Snapchat and Facebook and Twitter every single day. I'm a practitioner. I get my hands dirty. I'm the architect and the mason. Literally the architect, the general contractor, and the mason.